Hello and welcome to the official installation tutorial for your MASIGO Power Shield PS-01 Universal Hardwire Kit. Before we begin, please ensure that your vehicle's engine is turned off and the keys are removed from the ignition to guarantee your safety and the protection of your vehicle's electrical system. This indispensable kit is designed to keep your dash cam powered in parking mode, offering peace of mind while your vehicle is unattended. Now, let's safely unbox your PS-01 and start the installation process. Inside the box, you will find the main switch box and three essential wires: the red ACC wire, the yellow battery wire, and the black grounding wire. Here's how to install your power shield. Begin by setting the voltage and timer switches on the switch box. For standard passenger vehicles, a setting of 12.2 V is recommended. If you're installing this on a pickup or a larger vehicle, adjust it to 12.5 V. The timer settings are defaulted to infinity, allowing continuous operation without a time limit. However, you can customize this setting to 6H, 12H, 24H, or 48H according to your needs, ensuring your dash cam only runs for a set duration when your engine is off. Now, let's proceed to connect the wires. Using a fuse puller, carefully remove the chosen fuse. For a cleaner installation, consider using a fuse tap adapter. The red ACC wire should be connected to a switch fuse, which can be identified with the help of your vehicle's owner's manual. A common choice is the fuse for the cigarette lighter or car stereo. The yellow battery wire requires connection to a constant power source. This can typically be found in fuses for hazard lights, tail lights, or interior lights. Attach this wire in the same fashion as the ACC wire. The black G&D wire is to be secured to a grounding point on your vehicle's frame, which can be a bolt or any other non-painted metal surface. After wiring, connect the dash cam's power plug to the harness's cigarette lighter socket. Ensure the connection is secure by tightening the ring and reinforcing it with electrical tape if necessary. Install the switch box within reach but out of sight to preserve your vehicle's interior aesthetic while allowing for easy adjustments. Lastly, turn on the parking mode feature on your dash cam. With the PS-01, your dash cam will keep recording while the engine is off, without depleting your car's battery. Your battery hits the preset voltage level. The power shield will automatically disconnect the power to prevent any drain. To ensure the hardwire kit does not supply power when the engine is off, turn off the unit by switching off the indexes marked 3, 4, and 5 simultaneously. Your MASIGO Power Shield PS-01 is now fully installed and ready to safeguard your vehicle. We appreciate you choosing MASIGO. Drive safely and stay protected.
MASIGO.